Hello, let me introduce you to the Preview Global Risk Data Platform. To access the platform, just type Global Risk Data in your browser. The first link that appears in Google will lead you to the Global Risk Data Platform. It's a platform that is supported by the United Nations Environment Programme and United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction. Once you're here, you can go to the map to visualize the different data. You can change the screen resolution if you have a bigger pictures, even going to full screen if you need to. You can have here the different tabs, for example, changing the background. You have here the population, for instance, and with this navigation button, you can zoom on specific area to get more detailed and zoom in specific area. You can pan, and you can zoom out, or going back to full screen resolution. The different background, you have different type of information such as gross domestic product, elevation, land cover, forest, non-forest, or just use a blank map. You can also use cities, national parks, sub-national borders to detail your map. Once you're happy with the selected area that you are looking at, you can select different type of information such as looking at past events. Here you can select the dates from 1970 to 2010. You have a range of 40 years of data. We have compiled all information on tropical cyclones for this 40 years period. This takes a bit of time because the data is quite impressive, but once you have that, you access all the different past events that have been recorded through this 40 years period. Let's concentrate on a much restricted period for the last 2 years, for example. Once you're here, you can select and zoom on a specific event and try to interrogate the data to see what was the name of the cyclones that you have selected. Here we are on top of Nargis 2008. We look at the duration, we look at the maximum Saffir-Simpson category and the number of people that were affected under the different wind category. We can add several types of other hazards. We have the earthquake, the floods, tsunami, volcanoes, and all kinds of information on fires, droughts, and other types of hazards. Each hazard can be interrogated. We can select a specific country. For example, here going to the Philippines. I'll give you the map of selected event between 2008 and 2010. We can also look at informations that are in average affecting the country. For example, here the tropical cyclone frequency that has affected Philippines. Not only we have the frequency, but we can also look at the human exposure to tropical cyclones, and we have also the mortality risk from tropical cyclones. We have that for floods, landslides, and also multiple risks. This is available for the entire world. We provide access to the data. Before you download the data, please check if you are allowed to do that by checking on the data using credit. If you are a profit-making institution, you should contact us prior to download the data. For non-profit institutions, just go directly to data download. Select the data that you are interested in. Click to the download the data and select the different format that you are interested in and download the data. Informations are provided on data with the metadata, where you can have all the information on resolutions, units, and other type of interesting information about the data. We wish you pleasant use of the Preview Global Risk Data Platform. Thank you very much.